Have you ever watched something die and then seen it move again? Because that is what happens in a prophet's room in 1 Kings 17. Elijah takes a widow's son upstairs, lays him on the bed, and the boy stops breathing. The mother is already in pieces. Elijah is not loud. He takes the child, stretches himself out over him 3 times, and cries out to the Lord, "O Lord my God, let this child's life come into him again." Then the room goes still, and then the boy sneezes 7 times. 7. Elijah brings him down alive and gives him to his mother, and she says the line that hits hardest, "Now I know that you are a man of God, and that the word of the Lord in your mouth is truth." That is not just rescue. That is God proving He still speaks life into what everybody else counted finished.